completed circuit, it will try to go to the ground. Every electrical cord should have a blank label attached to it. UL.
Is it two?
Huh?
Like I think we switched up the answer.
You didn't hear what I just said?
No, I didn't.
You see, I will not let you write the answer and go in order. So what does that do?
Write the whole crowd and the answer.
No, you can just write the words.
I am writing the words, but how are we supposed to know where it's going to go?
I got down. There was an multiple choice test. You understand? One of the most common safety grounding systems used to protect you from an accidental electrical shock is the 3-wire system. I will go slow enough for you to write it if you can not write it.
Most common safety grounding system.
Okay. Everybody's ready to go to the next one?
That was number 3.
Don't go by numbers, I'm promising you.
Well, we can just listen.
If you listen, you will get this. One basic job site electrical safety guideline is to use only a concealed receptacle for plugs. Again, one basic job site electrical safety guideline is to use only a concealed receptacle for plugs.
Only a
Concealed receptacle for plugs.
His zipper for that.
Also, it's a concealed receptacle for plugs.
Okay, y'all ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
To prevent ear infections, clean your earplugs regularly with soap and water. See, that did stick to some people. To protect against brief exposure to gas or fumes, use full face piece mask with chemical containers. Remember, these are fumes, so you got to have a chemical container for your filter. Use full face piece mask.
Chemical container?
Protect against brief exposure. What?
You could protect from
To gas fumes, use full face piece mask with chemical canisters. Number, the next one. A-type 1A ladder is rated for 300 pounds extra heavy duty professional use. I'm telling you, it's like making a cheat slip. By the time you finish writing that cheat slip, you don't know all the answers. You don't need them. You know, that's the way it was starting when I was in school. Okay. If you are going to step off a ladder onto a platform or roof, the top of the ladder should extend at least blank feet above the point from the ladder touches the platform. 3 feet.
Boy. 3 feet, boy.
Everybody ready for the next one? The highest safe standing level on an extension ladder is the blank run from the top. Fourth run.
Every shipment of a hazardous substance must be accompanied by MSDS, which must be made available on the job site. This is the form that all show when the fire was
Inspected. If you look at the two we got back there right now, you'll see a little tag on it. Gonna have a date on it. And it should be last year sometime that it was inspected.
You have to have an inspection every year.
Every year they spoke that the fire department comes in.
That shit don't get through the other one.
Last what?
Huh?
Yeah. When was the last what? When was the last what?
Inspected. All service. Next one. You must check 3 things before and during welding operations. Hoses, regulators, and the work area. Check, remember, check to see if there's combustibles in your area. Because sparks can fly 30 feet. I talked about that yesterday. The color of the oxygen hose is green. Okay, next one. Because heating and cutting metals can create blank. Always perform cutting operations in a well-ventilated area. Toxic fumes. Certain metals give off some really bad fumes. I'll give you a quick for instance. Cutting galvanized. It makes you get sick. It's not a good thing. It's best to drink some milk. It kind of coats your stomach. If you have to do it. Okay. Work that takes place near a hazard but not in direct contact with it is called a blank work. Close by, what does that mean? In the proximity. It's called proximity work. Proximity work.
So, blank and proximity?
The answer is proximity work. Okay. A blank tag-out system protects workers from hazardous energy while they work on the machines. And that is a lockout tag-out system.
That's the test?
I'm still going on. Yeah, it's the test.
Oh, I was looking at pictures.
A red barricade in a work area indicates danger from
Overhead dangerous.
falling objects or a load suspended over an area.
Yeah.
Good. Next one. Everybody got that? Next one. Post and chain, steel cables, and blank are acceptable materials for a protective barricade. Wooden rails. Wooden rails. Besides post and chain, all of this can be used. Okay? You must never blank your personal protective equipment. Alter or modify. You must never alter or modify your PPE or personal protective equipment. Everybody's got that one? Most hard hats are now made of fiberglass. Good. I see that several people know that one already. Okay. Let's see if I didn't know this one. A lanyard on a safety harness must be short enough to prevent you from falling more than 6 feet. 6 feet. Okay. Next one. The ultimate responsibility for on-the-job safety rests with. The ultimate responsibility for on-the-job safety rests with choices. You, your supervisor, human resources, OSHA. The answer is you. You're responsible for your own actions. You're responsible for safety in the shop. Okay? Yellow signs with a black panel with yellow letters or blank signs. It's yellow. What does that tell you? Caution. Caution signs. Use caution when you have yellow signs. You see, now even this is not working because people are not paying attention. You know? Poor housekeeping, excessive noise, and inadequate guards are what kind of conditions? Bad. Would be another word for bad? Unsafe conditions.
That's work.
Something come up.
What the hell is y'all doing?
I know.
Chilling. That's not my stuff.
They asking
Are y'all ready?
Yeah, because I ain't
Someone who has the knowledge and experience to handle problems is a blank person. Qualified person. There are blank categories of on-the-job events. Anybody? Choices. A, 2. B, 3. C, 4. D, 5.
D.
I didn't hear the right answer yet. A. I remember reading this and I said, they're not paying attention. They didn't know this answer. And sure enough, after going over it 3 times, you still don't know.
It was 2.
Huh?
It was 2.
2. All right. In welding, the blank containing oxygen and acetylene must be stored in an upright and separated by metal. In welding, the cylinders containing oxygen and acetylene, that's the torches you see sitting right out there. They should have gave you the answer when you hear this. Must be stored in an upright position. You don't want to lay it down.
I need a hands on. I can't learn this.
What?
We're going to be hands-on, but it's got to be both. It's got to be both. Okay. Flash burns can cause serious eye damage. We don't have true or false. It's too easy. These are too easy. Multiple choice is too easy. It should be fill in the blanks only. Flash burns can cause serious eye damage. Never wear blank when welding.
Contacts.
Contacts. All right. Always use a friction striker to light a blank. Torch. If an electrical current, that was